Xiaomi. Xiaomi is the world's third largest smartphone maker. It has a range of high quality yet affordable phones, and it is very often unbeaten on value for money. And Xiaomi is all set to rule and dominate the 2022. So in this video I am going to show you 5 new best Xiaomi phones that you can consider to buy in 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which Xiaomi smartphone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Xiaomi 12 Pro. Xiaomi 12 Pro was launched on 28th of December 2021 and it is a flagship smartphone from Xiaomi. Coming to its specification, the Xiaomi 12 Pro comes with a beautiful 6.73-inch of display with a Quad HD Plus resolution. It is powered by the Qualcomm's latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. The phone packs 4600 mAh of battery that support fast charging and wireless charging. As far as cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi is challenging iPhone 13 Pro Max here. Xiaomi 12 Pro on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring 50 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.9 and a 50 megapixel second camera with an aperture of f1.9 and a 50 megapixel third camera with an aperture of f2.2. And for selfies also, the Xiaomi 12 Pro sports 32 megapixel front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. As far as dimensions are concerned, the phone measures 8.16mm in thickness and weighs around 205 grams. The phone is now exclusive to China and soon will be launched in other countries of the world. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Xiaomi 12X, the lighter version of the Xiaomi 12 Pro. If your budget is tight, you can go for the Xiaomi 12X. Xiaomi 12X also comes with an impressive specification but doesn't carry the power the 12 Pro has. Coming to its specification, the smartphone sports beautiful 6.28-inch display with a full HD Plus resolution. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Coming to the battery, the phone packs 4500 mAh of battery and comes with a 67 watt fast charging support, and also it supports wireless charging of 33 watt. As far as cameras are concerned, the phone comes with a triple rear camera setup at the back comprising of 50 megapixel primary camera plus 5 megapixel of second and 13 megapixel of third camera. And for selfies, the phone sports 20 megapixel of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. As far as dimensions are concerned, the phone measures 8.16mm in thickness and weighs around 176 grams. Xiaomi 12. Xiaomi 12 runs on Android-based MIUI 13 and features a 6.28-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The display also has 1100 nits of peak brightness, 120Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision support. That is impressive. The phone is powered by the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM. In terms of optics, the Xiaomi 12 has triple rear camera setup that houses a 50 megapixel primary Sony IMX766 sensor with an aperture of f1.88 and an optical image stabilization support. The camera setup also includes a 13 megapixel second camera with an aperture of f2.4, which is an ultra wide lens. There is a third 5 megapixel camera. For selfies, the phone comes with a 32 megapixel front selfie camera. It has a support for Stagger HDR and artificial intelligence based beautification feature. The most impressive thing here is Xiaomi 12 comes with a Dolby Atmos support and has Harman Kardon tuned stereo speakers. The phone packs 4500 mAh of battery and comes with a 67 watt fast charging support and 50 watt wireless charging support. Coming to the price, the Xiaomi 12 may cost you around 36 to 42,000 Indian rupees for its 8GB and 12GB variant. Redmi Note 11T 5G. Redmi Note 11T 5G was launched on 30th November 2021. Coming to its specification, the phone comes with a beautiful 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone is powered by 5000 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the Redmi Note 11T 5G on the rear packs dual camera setup featuring 50 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.8 and an 8 megapixel second camera. And for selfies, it features a 16 megapixel front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. As far as dimensions are concerned, this phone is little bit thick, measuring 8.75mm in thickness and weighs around 195 grams. It was launched in aquamarine blue, matte black and stardust white colors. You can consider this phone for its crisp display with a 90Hz refresh rate, good performance and long-lasting battery life with a quick charge support. The only disappointing thing here is the average camera. Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus is an amazing budget smartphone from Redmi Note 11 series, and it is speculated that this smartphone is rebranded as Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge to be launched in India soon. Coming to its specification, it has got a beautiful 6.67-inch display with a full HD Plus resolution. This smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone comes packed with a 4500 mAh of battery, and the unique highlight of this smartphone, or the main highlight of this smartphone, is its 120W fast charging support. That is incredibly amazing. As far as cameras are concerned, the phone don't disappoint in the camera section. The Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus or Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge on the rear packs 108 megapixel camera and also sports 16 megapixel camera for taking selfies. The smartphone will be available in the colors like Misty Forest, Time Quiet Purple, Shallow Dream Galaxy and Mysterious Black color. As far as price is concerned, the phone will be launched for a price around 20 to 24,000 Indian rupees. So these are the amazing best 5 smartphones from Xiaomi that you can consider to buy in 2022. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.